Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Uluvuyo.
Shosho Stibunjani.
Nimnandi.
Nami ngimnandi. Abafana bazamile.
Sure.
Angeke ngithi badlalile. Ngiyabona amakhosi amaningi excited the way like badlale ngakhona. Bamese ama opportunity amaningi. Bawathola ama chance. Badlala ngawo. You understand that?
Yeah.
2 goals it was not enough. TS Galaxy ifile.
Yes.
Akusena team bekumele sibabulale.
Yes.
If sishaya TS Galaxy nge 2-0 mina la siyakhona phambili ngiyasaba. Kuzoba nzima. Especially kwi game ye Pirate ne Sundowns. Yabona lama game ayithula azoba nzima. I possibility ukuthi so wawina lama game angazi.
It's small.
Because of bathini i-Pirate mayidlala abasaba ukushuta ku-22 before 18 bayakhahlela ku-18 bayakhahlela abafuna ukuthi abalinde until bazongena nebhola epenethini amakhosi basaba ama-player we-Chiefs basaba amafene we-Chiefs because of immediately uyaphambili kancane ungathi uyamesa amafena Chiefs ayabhuwa the same player la kwama player wabo. So if singa encourage abafana, if umfana umesile samukushaya izandla and then 2 player Chiefs angasabi ukuthatha ama responsibility. Ngibone ibhola kaMfundo ifile bekuyibhola lakhe lokugcina. Umfundo ukuthatha ibhola kaningi laze lafika na goalkeeper. If beka uthema ngena ku-18 usaliphushela phambili usafuna ukungena kulento ku penalty shoot. Yabona mawusu laphayana. Then
must take a shot.
You understand kunjani? Maku 18 ubhekene no goalkeeper usafunani? Ukhahlele.
Yena ufuna
uChesley naye uthole opportunity chance efana naleyo. Ngabe simanje unegoli damani. Usafuna ukukhama umuntu. Umkhamelana umuntu ubhekene no goalkeeper.
It doesn't.
You understand? And then uChesley ngicela ukuthi angazi bamtrain njani uslow damani.
Very slow.
Uslow damani.
Very slow.
Mangaba quickly kancane. Angalimaza abantu. Uvele bhayi indoda.
Quality.
Indoda uvele bhayi uyasebenza damani uyadlala and then bathu bani uPeterson mina for mina number 1 goalkeeper was South Africa damani angazi ukuthi umona wani
from what
because of if ungabheka previous uPeterson iChiefs bekangayidlisi I problem ngoPeterson bekahlulwa iball back
from abokwini
umuntu makamnika iball back amagoli amaningi last before bazobuyisela uvuma bekayenza amaphutha la ukuthi babamnika ibhola enye ayimesa iyangena enye uyibuyisela unika iplayer yenye that's why but ngibona ukuthi mistake le uyilungisile that's why manje angasa consider
ngiyabonga.